Arabic language is so easy. I'll teach you 10 words which you must know. Hala, hi, naam, yes, la, no, aywa, yes, informal, sah, right, zain, fine, shu, what, kam, how much, lish, why, wallah, really? I hope they will like this video, isn't it? We'll learn basic greetings in Arabic. Hello, marhaba, ahlan, welcome, good morning, sabah al khair, good evening, masa al khair, hi, hala, you are welcome, ya hala, how are you, كيف حالك, I'm good, أنا بخير, how are you, شلونك, I'm fine, alhamdulillah, good, زين, perfect, tamam, all good, ماشي, goodbye, مع السلامة. Time expressions in Arabic: morning, sabah, afternoon, بعد ظهر, evening, مساء, night, ليل, now, الحين, later, بعدين, yesterday, أمس, today, اليوم, tomorrow, بكرة, week, أسبوع. Now we'll learn basic directions: near, قريب, far, بعيد, first, أول, last, آخر, right, يمين, left, يسار, straight, سيدة, above, فوق, below, تحت, beside, جنب, center, في الوسط, inside, داخل, outside, برا, behind, ورا, in front of, أمام, opposite, قبل. Now we will learn vegetables in Arabic: cucumber, خيار. خيار you can call a person as well. Tomato, طماطم. Onion, بصل. Potato, batata. Bell pepper, فلفل. Cauliflower, زهرة. Broccoli, broccoli. Spinach, سبانخ. Coriander, خبزرة. Carrot, جزر. Zucchini, كوسة. Eggplant, باذنجان. Green beans, فاصوليا. Garlic, ثوم. Cabbage, ملفوف. Write in the comment which is your favorite vegetable. In just 1 minute, I'll teach you how to count from 0 to 100, and it's so easy. Watch till the end. So only we need to learn is how to count from 1 to 10. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. To learn decades, you just need to add in. For example, 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 100. And now, for example, to say 25, you should say 5 20. If you want to say 35, you say 5 30, which is 25 35 45. Or if you want to say 53, you say 53. If you want to say 69, you say 69. Was it easy? Subscribe and like the video.